ever accidentally finish a task or need to revisit a project from the past. Let's uncover how to find those hidden gems or archived tasks in ClickUp. First, navigate to the left-hand sidebar. You'll find a dedicated section labeled Archived. Click on this to reveal all your completed or moved aside items. Once you're in the Archive view, you'll see a list of your archived tasks. This view is essentially a time capsule, preserving all the details of your past work. To make this archive work for you, let's talk about filtering. Look for the filter icon, usually at the top of your archived task list. Clicking this opens up a world of organization. You can filter by date range to pinpoint tasks from a specific period, or even filter by assignee or the specific project or folder they belong to. This is crucial for quickly locating what you need from a mountain of completed work. For instance, if you need to see everything archived last month, simply select the appropriate date range. It's that easy to zero in on your targets. Now, what if you realize a task was archived by mistake or you need to bring it back into your active workflow? Find the task you want to restore. You'll typically see an option to unarchive or restore the task, often accessible by clicking on the task itself or a menu next to it. Clicking this action will seamlessly move the task back to its original location, or you can choose where it belongs. Rest assured, no information is lost in this process. And there you have it. Mastering your archived tasks ensures you have a complete and accessible history of your projects in ClickUp, keeping your workflow efficient and your data secure.